These Cocktail Rye Canape Appetizers go perfectly well with a bowl of soup. It's easy to put together, and once they're assembled, they can be frozen to enjoy for a later date. In a skillet, cook the Italian sausage and ground beef over heat. Drain any excess oil, then add in the oregano, red onions, and chili powder. Stir to combine. Then, add in the cubed Velveeta cheese and stir until the cheese has melted. Set aside. On each slice of cocktail rye bread, squeeze 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise using a piping bag. Place a piece of torn lettuce on top of the bread, then place 2 tablespoons of the mixture. Garnish with chopped parsley, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.